Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to the latest video on the Scan Tool Network. In this video we're going to show you the Launch CRP129E diagnostic package, diagnosing a check engine light. We're in a Nissan right now. As you can see, we have the check engine light on there. This tool, I'm going to put the link to this tool in the description below this video. It's a really good, quick, fast and powerful tool that works on a wide range of vehicles, but as I say, right now our main concern is the check engine light in this Nissan. So I'm going to show you how to use this kit to diagnose this fault. So we've got this tool plugged into the diagnostic port, and we're going to click on to diagnose. It's a touch screen, and we're going to find our vehicle, which is Nissan. So give me a shout when you see the word Nissan. There it is, and we're going to click OK to that. So it's going to go through the steps. We're going to click on manually select. We're going to select our area, which is Europe, select our specific location, which is Great Britain, and then we need to find our specific vehicle, which is a Qashqai 2 G10, and it's the top one. So you can select system, which system you wish to diagnose. We're interested in the engine system, so we're going to go to read fault codes, and it's giving us a list of fault codes that are currently stored in this vehicle. So the first one is what we're really interested in, the P2A00 AF sensor 1. This is it's an O2 sensor. So we need to fix the O2 or replace the O2 sensor. Once we've been able to do that, we can then erase the codes and get rid of the check engine light, but we can't get rid of the check engine light at the minute because we haven't fixed the part. So what we need to do is click on to clear fault code. If we click on yes, you'll see that it says clear fault code failed. We knew that was going to happen because we haven't actually fixed anything. So that's just it gives you a quick idea of how diagnostics work as well. But that's the Launch CRP129, just a really quick demonstration of this tool diagnosing a check engine light in a Nissan Qashqai. But as you saw earlier, it covers a lot of different manufacturers from all over the world, so it's a really useful piece of kit if you're maybe a home DIY mechanic and you want to look after your own vehicles. As I say, I'll put the link to this kit in the description below this video. There are fakes, there are clones, unfortunately, which makes everybody's job just that little bit harder, but if you use the links in the description, you'll definitely be taken to the genuine product. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.